Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechExpress. Today let's check out how to delete your Google sites. So if you have an old project test site into Google sites and you want it gone, these are 3 levels of deleting this. So you can either take it offline, move the file into your trash, or wipe it from your Google Drive permanently. The first thing, of course, is to unpublish. If you wanted to keep the file but don't stop people from visiting the website linked, you just needed to unpublish it. So at the top right, you can click into the small down arrow next to the blue publish button. So let's say, for example, that this is the actual website I no longer wanted to see, right? So inside here, you have the element here. Click into the small down arrow next to the published element, select the option that says unpublished, so your site will no longer be available. You can still make edits and publish your site again. So you go for got it, and my site is now unpublished. So if I, let's say, have this linked for this website and I open it into a new tab, this will be appearing as an error for 04 that this is not found, right? So you're good to go. Now, to delete the project entirely, you can go back directly into this site's home. Go back to the Google Sites home screen where you see all your recent sites. So find the site you want to delete and click the 3 vertical dots into the corner of the thumbnail, like this one, for example. I click into the 3 dots and click the option that says removed. Now, portfolio will be moved to a drive trash and deleted forever after 30 days. To go for the option that says move the trash. Now, this site is not gone yet because Google keeps it in your trash for 30 days in case you made a mistake. So if you wanted it gone right now, we can have waited a course to get a one last step, which is permanent removal. To wipe the site forever, you need to go and open a new tab and type Google Drive. Directly here into Google Drive, I have the drive.google.com. I am directly here into the Google Drive, G Drive. And here what I need to do is to find my site file. So if I go for trash, here is my portfolio element. So I right click and I go for delete forever. Portfolio will be deleted forever. This can be undone, delete forever, and we're good to go. So this, it's actually that we actually it. So your Google site is gone. If you build a new site, remember to check out the other tutorials on how you can customize your Google Sites layout. And that would be actually it, guys. If you have any questions, you can leave it down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you wanted to see more great tools how you can get started with these great elements of Google Sites and its own features. Thank you once again for watching, and hopefully we can see you guys next time.